Hi everybody, how you doing today? I'm doing good. I went for a walk today and the wind was blowing pretty good. It was kind of blowing in my face, but I had one of the Max on to keep it off my face. Yeah, if you're going out today, dress warm, because it's pretty cold. You guys won't guess I saw today on my way back from my walk. I saw a few snowmobiles. Do you remember back when my old videos, I was complaining about I didn't have snowmobiles? Yeah, but I just waved to them and be nice to them. But it is what it is. Yeah, but it's sun's shining out right now. It's nice out. But it's still cold. I'll let you look outside what my weather looks like. It's decent, but it was snowing hard this morning. Yeah, I want to get on here, talk to you guys for a while and see how you guys doing today. Yeah, this is it for this video. If you like it, smash that thumbs up. And you can share this video to your friends and tell your friends subscribe me. And if you push that subscribe button, there'll be a little bell pop up. Push that bell icon. And if you're not following me on Instagram yet, it's just Troy Pease. You can talk to me on Instagram and Messenger. But don't send me a friend request because I don't have Facebook. Okay, I hope you guys have a good rest of the day. And see you next time. Peace.